Alrighty, here is going to be our long overdue first overview of the X33 testers that I'm growing for Scott at Herbs Now. And man, I have 4 going right now. I think that they are all female and they are looking absolutely fantastic. This one's going in a 2-gallon. I'm going to be transplanting today into a 5-gallon, flipping to flower in a few days. But they've all recovered from some neglect in their cups early on, where they went heavily deficient. It was totally my fault, but they have rebounded beautifully, and you have amazing uniformity, lateral branching. Everything is curling upwards, looking great. So this is pheno number 1. I'm going to go grab pheno number 2. All right, here we go. Pheno number 2. This one looks very similar to number 1. Has a great stem rub like the number 1 pheno does, but this one I kind of like a little bit more. You're going to see same uniform branching all the way around. A lot of bud sites potentially here because I believe this is a female. It looks like a female. Sorry, the lighting is really bad in here. But I'm actually confident that I have 4 females, so that is why I'm going to be transplanting into the 5 gallons today and just flipping the flower. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but starting to see pistils, and usually at this point in their maturity, you will see the beginning signs of balls. It's pretty common that you will, of the pollen sacs, so I think we're in the clear at this point. So I'll do a little bit of defoliation in addition to the transplant, make sure that they are stabilized before I flip the flower, and then we'll get these girls going. All right, here's the number 3 pheno. This one is smaller than number 1 and number 2, but looks just as beautiful. Deficient leaves here from before, but she's looking great. Great stem rub on this as well. All right, I'm going to go grab number 4. And here's number 4. Obviously the smallest, due in part by being in half the container size as the other 3. And considering the fact that it's still doing well in this small container, I really look at that as a positive sign for what's to come when I put this in a larger soil volume. Sorry, a little bushy here. I'm going to need to do some cleanup on this one. You see great branching on this one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get these transplanted now. Follow up in a couple of weeks when these things are in early flower. Show you what they look like.